Good Friday morning. This is your Loudoun County weather outlook for October 18th, 2024. Going to be another beautiful sunny day. Started off kind of cold with some frost around for sure this morning because of the calm winds. We should see highs get up into the mid and upper 60s today. Into the 70s tomorrow, probably around 70, into the low 70s by Sunday, and then low to mid 70s through Wednesday of next week. Nighttime lows will get a little bit warmer into the 40s and to around 50 by Wednesday. Now, next Thursday, we could cool down a little bit more. Just looking at the overall weather setup, here we go. Over here in Loudoun, dominated by this high pressure system. You can see the ice bars are not tight together, so we should have no winds really today at all. As we move forward, this high pressure just kind of dominates the weather. You can see we stay clear. And this is a little bit warmer over time. You can see that 564 line here if you were looking really close. Moving up, showing us warming up into the 70s as of next week. And then as we head later, so this is Sunday and into Monday. So we're going to go into next week now. So now we're at Tuesday. We get a little bit of a southerly wind. So now getting up into maybe the mid 70s. So kind of nice. And then next Thursday, we do have this little front kind of come through. Looks like it's dry. And because it's dry, it's just going to come through. A little bit cooler air on the backside of this, so that's why we're going to cool down into the 60s. So we may see some 30s again in the nighttime lows. But honestly, this high pressure is just getting reinforced, and just we're staying warm-ish, I'd say above normal temperatures, and just high and dry. If that high slips to the east, we get a little warmer. So this looks like we could be up in the 70s to around 80, maybe around the 27th of October. I'll have to see. This is pretty far out there at this point. So now we're getting to land that isn't always true, but honestly, it does look like there'll be a warm-up, a pretty strong warm-up, sometime in the week after next. And then we'll see how we get towards the end of October. This is on Tuesday. There's some type of front kind of trying to show up here. At one point, it looked like it was going to rain on October 31st, but now it's not. And then that kind of moves out. And then there is some indication that we were going to get a lot cooler. That may be delayed a little bit, but we'll have to see how things pan out. In general, though, you see it. We're dry. There's not an ounce of rain really showed up really on top of us between now and the end of the month into the first part of November. So with that in mind, just dry conditions. Daytime highs pretty much in the 70s. A little bit cooler towards the end of next week, but then it looks like it could really warm up there right before the Halloween. And we'll just see how things go. Have an awesome Friday and an excellent weekend. This has been your Loudoun County Weather Outlook.